We'll start with some great news. News you can be proud of. Jamshedji Tata has been voted the greatest philanthropist of the last century. That's above Rockefeller and all these other big names across all countries, across the world. Number one, the most charitable, Jamshedji Tata. An Indian and a Parsi. I tell you, Parsis and charity. What can I say, yaar?
Hello,
Yeah?
how much you donate? You are the same, na?
All the week that wasn't. Why now, yaar? Why you have to say this now? बाद में बात कर सकते offline, ना? Starting with this story from the Shiv Sena, MLA Pratap Sarnek, who is being investigated by the ED in a 175 crore rupees laundering case, has written to Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray and asked him to patch up with the BJP. Oh, ED, Enforcement Directorate, comes under the central government proviso, so it would be make sense. Case dismissed. I'm not just thinking aloud, not saying that. I mean, it's not beyond the realms of possibility that Maharashtra can have a Maha-Aghadi, a consortium of 4 parties, Shiv Sena, Congress, NCP and BJP. How will it make any difference to the common Mumbaikar? We will still be at level 3. Doesn't matter case coming down, at level 3 pe rahega for 6 years to make sure we are safe. While cases are going down pan-India, folks, little bad news. Bengal is bucking the trend. In 23 districts in Bengal, cases are rising as we speak. Now, some wise men in Delhi say, damn, we should have had elections in June. This must be false. Nobody in Delhi uses the word damn. They use other words starting with B and M, but not damn. To be fair, in Bengal, the week before, cases were falling, but the moment the TMC defectors who had joined BJP started coming back, the Ghar Wapasi to TMC, cases started rising. No correlation, of course. I mean, how? What is there's no science here, yaar. I mean, how can you connect the two here? Brazil's death toll has crossed 500,000 in this pandemic. However, President Bolsonaro as I call him, Bolsonaro has requested Brazilians not to die during the Copa America, where Brazil is doing very well, so that doesn't spoil the game for others. No? It's like a beach man and people lose their mood and all that. So he's asked them to hang on. Actually, hardliner Bolsonaro is still refusing to force social distancing norms. This has caused millions of Brazilians to take to the street to protest over the president's attitude. Of course, by taking to the streets, they stood side by side, close together, touching literally, while asking for social distancing to be enforced. Yes, I'll try that in Mumbai as well, yeah? Hartal, come together, hold hands. Do you want lockdown shut? On last Saturday, a record 13.59 lakhs got the jab in Andhra Pradesh. Mumbai also did very well that same day. Only not sure if the jab had the vaccine or the full vaccine or old vaccine or part of some vaccine. That clarity was not there. Last week, Germany-Portugal game saw a bizarre occurrence. Portugal scored 2 own goals. Goals by their own defenders in their own goals. A Coca-Cola spokesperson said, 2 own goals, 1 for each bottle of Coke Ronaldo pushed aside. I'm pro-Cola. What can I say? Someone has to be pro-Cola. And we celebrated International Day of Yoga. Let's look at a demo by our own yogi, Swami Mahatosh.
Sorry, I can't do yoga today.
Why not?
While doing a handstand, I forgot to wear underwear and I got hurt.
Wow. TOI firstly, too much information. But obviously that's why you have a bandage on your head, na?
No, that's my underwear. I forgot. I put it there.
I'm as embarrassed as you watching. Please, we're together on this. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Vaccination drive in full swing. Will UK get a third wave? And FIFA reports on Euro Cup 2020. Before we go into our top story, it's been a very sad week. In fact, it's been a very sad 2 years culminating in this week. I'm so upset. When are things going to get better? When are we going to get good news? I'm not talking about COVID. I'm talking about the World Test Championship final. Give me a second. It's very painful. In fact, I don't know about you, my reaction was, Kya hua tera wada? Because they promised to bring back the cup and they didn't bring it. I won't get into anything else, not the kasam or the irada, but it was very painful. The sad part of the whole thing is, and Jinx, please understand, I know you don't like being called Jinx. How did you get out playing down the leg side? On a seaming wicket and a swinging wicket, both things happening at the same time, and you went, how did you get out there? Jasprit Bumrah didn't get a wicket. My mother and I on a severe medication after that. We thought he's the best bowler in the world. Things have just gone out of control completely. Really. And Pujara, 36 balls to get his first run. Normally goes on to be 90 not out. And after that, he, what, 8, 10? That's it. So things were terrible, terrible. And also there's COVID, huh? COVID is also that's still going on. So be careful, get your vaccine. Do that at least. Some good news. All right, time for our top story. The first week of the centre's new vaccine policies. Ka matlab kya hai? Old policy, not good. We need new policy. Turned out to be a blockbuster vaccination week for India, where 5 BJP-ruled states, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana, contributed to over 50% of the total jabs administered. Thapa, thapa, with a rather lackluster performance of opposition-ruled states like Punjab, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Delhi. See, we can also be pro-BJP on this show. It's not like we are one-sided. We support everyone. We are like a banyan, I've been saying that. Or what the female wears for banyan, which I can't mention. To find out how some of the states are doing, joining us from Delhi is Anand Kejriwal. Wait. From Ayodhya, Yogi Aditya Gopal. And from Maharashtra, the one and only Sanjay Raut. Let me ask all of you gentlemen, since you've joined us, this is the question. Why are the vaccination numbers in the non-BJP states so low?
देखिए जनता सब जानती है जी।
अरे तुम
देखिए,
कौन हो
जनता
पूछने
सब
वाले?
जानती है
अपने
जी,
आप को
जनता को
समझते
सब
क्या हो?
जानती है। जनता सब
हमारी
जानती
हिम्मत
है
कैसे हुई?
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का देखिए
और-
जनता सब
अरे
जानती
तुम
है जी।
कौन हो
देखिए,
पूछने
जनता
वाले?
सब
अपने आप को
जानती है जी,
समझते
जनता
क्या
को
हो?
सब पता है जी।
हमारी
जनता
हिम्मत
सब
कैसे
जानती
हुई?
है जी।
Okay, sorry, guys, please, one by one, don't talk like that. This is Cyrus Puchta hai. This is not the other guy. This is my show. Civilized people come on this show. Educated people come on this. One by one. Don't make me shout. Let's start with you, Anand Kejriwal ji. You seem to be grumbling as usual. You have some sort of grievance. State it.
जी देखिए जी, जनता सब जानती है। जनता को सब पता है जी, हमने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया। हमने पानी की तरह पैसा बहाया है जी।
लेकिन उसी पानी को लेकर ऑक्सीजन बनाते तो ज्यादा बेहतर होता। ये कौन आदमी है हमें सिखाने वाला? बिहार वाले के बात हम नहीं सुनते। हम यूपी से हैं, बिहार से नहीं हैं। देखिए, हाँ तो बिहार यूपी तुम सब परप्रांति हो ना?
देखिए जी, देखिए जनता सब जानती है जी। हमने पानी की तरह पैसा बहाया जी और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने हमको पानी देना ही रोक दिया है जी। जनता को सब पता है। ये नाइंसाफी है जी, जनता सब जानती है।
अब ये कौन हिंदी में बोल रहा है? मराठी में बोलो, मराठी में बोला।
सुनिए बात,
मराठी में बोला।
मेरी बात सुनिए। देखिए जी,
Okay, listen, I feel like I'm not even here. You're just talking amongst yourselves and I'm just feeling left out in the party. Literally, no pun intended. Will everyone please calm down now? Clearly, slowly, softly. Let's start with you, Mr. Sanjay Raut. How is the vaccination going on in Maharashtra?
अरे तुम कौन हो पूछने वाले? अपने आप को क्या समझते हो? तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
Don't answer a question with a question. It's very confusing. Please don't do that. Answer a question with an answer or question and answer. But don't answer a question with a question. All right, I'm just asking you a question, by the way.
हम ऐसे बात नहीं करते। किंबावना हमारा बात करने का तरीका अलग है।
अलग? तो आप महाराष्ट्र के लोग कैसे बात करते हैं? बताइए, हमको बताइए।
हम सिर्फ फेसबुक लाइव पे बात करते हैं। किंबावना बात नहीं करेंगे, समझे?
देखिए जी, देखिए जनता सब जानती है जी। जनता सब जानती है। मोदी जी ने हमें वैक्सीन दिया ही नहीं, सिर्फ यूपी, गुजरात, कर्नाटका, हरियाणा को दिया है जी।
ए रोना धोना बंद करो और खुद काम करने की कोशिश करो, जैसे हम कर रहे हैं।
देखिए जी, देखिए हमारे पास तो बजट भी नहीं है जी। लेकिन जनता को सब पता है, बजट हमारे पास नहीं है जी। बिल्कुल।
क्या कहा? बजट नहीं है? सुना है आपकी सरकार ने 822 करोड़ रुपए कोविड पर खर्च किए।
हाँ जी किया है, बिल्कुल किया है। जनता को पता है।
किस पर? बेड्स पर, ऑक्सीजन पर, वैक्सीन पर, वेंटिलेटर पर? किस पर खर्च किए गए हैं 822 करोड़ रुपए? बताइए।
वो जी देखिए जी, हमने एडवर्टाइजिंग पे खर्च किया है, लेकिन जनता सब जानती है।
ये उत्तर भारतीय लोग जो है ना, ये जो हैं, ये उत्तर भारतीय लोग
क्या उत्तर भारतीय जी? क्या बार उत्तर भारतीय
ऐसे बात
कह रहे हैं?
मत कीजिए,
उत्तर
ऐसे
भारतीय
बात मत कीजिए
क्या आप
मुझसे।
बार उत्तर भारतीय कह रहे हैं? बोलिए।
देखिए, शांत रहिए, शांत रहिए।
सुनिए हमारी बात। देखिए, ये बार उत्तर भारतीय मत कहिए।
शांत रहिए। आवाज चढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है। हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो सुनिए।
आपने कितने वैक्सीन दिए हैं बताइए? हाँ बोलिए, आप बताइए जी, आप बताइए।
हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो
बोलिए,
सुनिए।
Viewer, if you're watching, just understand they are actually great friends. They have lunch together every week, Tuesday and Thursday. They always eat together. So there's all love here. This is just a way of banter. This is nothing more.
बोलिए।
कैसे देंगे वैक्सीन? हमारे पास वैक्सीन की कमी है।
Sanjay ji, Maharashtra is where the vaccine is being manufactured. Maharashtra should have organized themselves better. That's a fair point, right?
ए तुम बीच में मत बोलो, क्या समझते हो? हमने पूनावाला से बात नहीं की, हमने उन्हें बोला था कि ये कोविशील्ड क्या होता है, हमको नहीं चाहिए। कोविशील्ड
Meaning?
महाराष्ट्र में बना हुआ वैक्सीन तो उसका नाम होना चाहिए छत्रपति शील्ड। ये कोविशील्ड क्या है? अरे सुनिए सुनिए हमारी बात
देखिए,
सुनिए।
जनता सब जानती है, जनता सब जानती है जी, जनता देख रही है, जनता को पता है सब कुछ।
देखिए,
वो सब जानती
मैं
है जी।
आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूंगा आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने इस वैक्सीनेशन कार्यक्रम का आरंभ किया और हमारे प्रदेश में हमारे उत्तर
सुनिए
प्रदेश-
मेरी बात
सुनिए
सुनिए,
जी,
हमारी
सुनिए
ए,
मेरी
तुम
बात
होते
सुनिए,
कौन हो
मैं आदरणीय
पूछने वाले?
प्रधानमंत्री
नहीं,
जी
कौन
के
हो तो
आभार
पूछने वाले?
व्यक्त करना
तुम
चाहूंगा।
समझते क्या हो?
सुनिए,
तुम्हारी
सुनिए,
हिम्मत कैसे
आदरणीय
हुई?
प्रधानमंत्री-
हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
मैं आभार व्यक्त
सुनो,
करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने
देखिए,
हमारे-
सुनिए,
देखिए,
सुनिए,
जनता सब
हमारे
जानती है।
उत्तर प्रदेश में जनता सब जानती
Stop! Stop!
थांबा थांबा थांबा, डोंट से स्टॉप, से थांबा।
No, actually carry on.
आभार
एक
व्यक्त
सुनो।
करना चाहता हूं।
No, stop. Okay, listen to me. 85 lakh jabs on day one is a huge step forward.
जी जी जी, सही कहा आपने। देखिए, मैं इस बात पर आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूंगा आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का।
देखिए, ये फिर वही देखिए, इनका वही आभार चल रहा है जी। कितना कितना भार लेंगे जी?
डोका फिर जिन्होंने हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में वैक्सीनेशन का कार्यक्रम आरंभ किया और हमारे प्रदेश में, हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में एक ही दिन में 85 लाख वैक्सीन लगे हैं। बताइए, कितनी बड़ी बात है।
Hey, that's inaccurate. It's 85 lakh in the whole country.
देखिए जी, देखिए, तो हमको भी 85 लाख वैक्सीन मिलने चाहिए जी, क्योंकि होल कंट्री का कैपिटल दिल्ली है, सबको पता है जी, ये बात सबको पता है।
लेकिन सरकार को बनाता और गिराता उत्तर प्रदेश है, तो हमें 85 लाख वैक्सीन मिलने चाहिए। क्या बोल रहे हैं सब लोग, इतना हिंदी काहे को बोल रहे हैं ये सब? लेकिन हक महाराष्ट्र का पहले बनता है। क्यों बनता है? क्योंकि आधा उत्तर प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र में रहता है।
देखिए जी, जनता सब जानती
देखिए,
है, जनता सब जानती है
आभार
जी,
व्यक्त करना
जनता को
चाहता
सब
हूं
पता है,
आदरणीय
सब
तुम
जानते
कौन
हैं,
हो ये
जनता
पूछने
जानती
वाले?
है।
होते कौन हो तुम
प्रदेश में
पूछने
हमारे
वाले?
जनता
तुम्हारी
जानती
हिम्मत
है।
कैसे हुई?
वैक्सीनेशन
तुम्हारी
का
हिम्मत
आरंभ
कैसे हुई?
किया।
पूछने
जनता
वाले हो
देखिए,
कौन?
और हमारे
मुझे
प्रदेश
बोलने
में
दे।
हमारे
कैसे
मेरी
पूछ
बात-
रहे हो
मेरी
हमसे?
बात खत्म
आदरणीय
नहीं
कौन हो?
होने
कौन हो
देंगे।
तुम?
मैं-
कौन हो?
मैंने लोगों
तुम्हारा
अपने
हाथ
हाथों
से
से इंतजाम
वैक्सीनेशन
किया।
का
देखिए,
कार्यक्रम।
चुप रहिए, आप
सुनिए,
मुझे
सुनिए मेरी बात।
I send them emails. The beginning of the show, I send them emails saying, I am talking, then you will answer. I am talking, then you will answer. It's like A and B. No C, no D, no E. But they don't understand. Aapas mein baatcheet. And I'm just redundant here, like a fool, like a joker, like a third umpire in a closed box who's not paying attention to the game. I can't bear it. It's horrible. But we have some good news. After many years, we have a person to talk to who is considered one of India's greatest sons. And Britain is willing to give him back at any point. Lord Desai, I don't know his first name, Lord Desai, very famous gentleman. He's back to talk about what's happening in England. There's a worry about a third wave because they've pushed back opening England from June to July end almost. So let's talk to him. Here he is. Welcome back, sir, after a long time, looking very good.
Thank you. But I was trying to raise my profile, so I purposely avoided you.
See, we say nice things and we get this kind of response. And when we say bad things with those three guys in the beginning, we get even worse response. So I don't know what to say as an anchor. I've failed, I've given up. Was it the pandemic a problem? Wasn't that the reason why all this is happening, sir?
You cannot blame everything on the pandemic. My hair, for instance, was always like this. Nothing to do with the pandemic.
Genetics bhi ek cheez hai. We have to be grateful, those who have hair in the 50s, 60s, 70s and 120s. But how have you been keeping, Lord?
I'm tempted to pass that to Rishabh Pant. But in English conditions, he'd drop it.
Oh, so what's the WTC?
Why would I? If I wanted to see rain, I just look out of my window.
Spiffing replies. Very funny, very English. I like it. So what is wrong with the weather? What's going on?
Look at it this way. Rain here stops the cricket. Rain in India stops India.
That's very poignant. Fair enough. But actually, we wanted to get your view on Boris Johnson's comment that COVID curbs in England will now be lifted on July 19th, almost a month later than expected.
Yes, and maybe then he'll get a haircut finally.
Again, a month later than expected. A case of the pot calling the kettle.
Boris, I tell you, is a bit of a hoax. He's a rich man, born with the most silver spoons, trying to appear working class.
Hang on, Lord, isn't your profile similar?
Me, I don't even pretend to be working class. In work, no Nobody knows what work I do. Even I don't know what work I do.
Same club, huh? All right. But is there so much fear in Britain that he had to move the opening from June 21st to July 19th?
I'll let you in on a little secret. Boris is just making up dates, just like his social life in college.
Really on a roll there, Lord. Really on a roll. So, will the UK open up or not?
Well, I can't confirm that, but what I can confirm is that Boris Johnson will go down as the open and closed Prime Minister.
Open and closed Prime Minister. Pardon, what is that?
His legacy will be that he first closed off Europe and then he couldn't open up Britain.
All right, okay. With that kind of Shakespearean adage, I think we should go into the break. And if you're lucky, we won't come back. That's the best we can do. Sorry, I'm still upset. You know, I don't understand one thing, you know. I mean, if you're worried about the ball coming in, Virat, if you're worried about that, then what is the need to suddenly let the ball that's going away? Why do you have to touch it? You just concentrate on this, no? The ball is going away, you don't even look at it. This is how I tell people who don't like dogs. You leave the dog alone. You don't touch the dog only. Why are you touching the dog? Then the dog bites you, you come after me. So we're at the same point, yeah. Sorry, I'm still very upset about the WTC result. I thought we had it. I can't believe we lost to New Zealand. Lovely guys, they are New Zealand. But then, you know, you should get a prize for being the best team in terms of behavior, not the best team in terms of swing, seam, batting in these conditions. It's horrible. Let's get on with the show. Let's talk about something more beautiful. Okay, great news, folks. TWTW is offering 2 free tickets to Euro Cup final for the viewers of this show. 2 free tickets. Oh, sorry, that was just to get your attention. We have no money. Can't even get proper actors. You've seen the guys on the show. I mean, it's crap. First three were horrible, really horrible. Okay, let's move on. Great news. TWTW is offering 2 free tickets to the Tokyo Olympics in July. Sorry. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I'm sorry, just trying to get your attention again. It's a habit. I'm sorry about that. Again, it's a lie. It's a complete lie. We don't have the resources. Can't get you a ticket for parking here. Okay. Now, great news. This has just come. Breaking news, great news. TWTW, this is true, I swear by God, is giving you 2 free tickets to enjoy International Yoga Day at Nariman Point, Mumbai. Oh, you don't want those tickets. How sad. This was true. I had that. Even though the date has passed 5 days back, फिर भी मेरे पास tickets तो है International Yoga Day के लिए. That they don't want. Euro Cup final कहाँ से आएगा? What's wrong with you people? Do I look like the owner of the channel? No, I'm just me. Let's move on. A bit of sad news. The legendary, the great Milkha Singh is gone, but his legacy lives on. Folks, this is not a joke. This is the truth. He taught us the importance of running. Pause and think about that. He taught us running away from each other to maintain social distance is the right thing to do. Okay, enough of all that. It's time now to go into something beautiful. The people's game, the beautiful game, the game of the people, one of those. It's called football. That's right, Euro Cup, and we have the man who understands every nuance of the game, and he's going to explain to us from Wembley what's going on at this point in the Euro Cup 2020.
Shut up, man, Cyrus, shut up. Don't say so loudly, man, Cyrus. People are here, man.
What? FIFA?
Shut the fish up, man. Don't call me FIFA, man. Either call me Fee or call me Fa.
Either call me Fee or call me Fa. This show has actually gone to a worse point. What are you saying?
Either call me Fee or Fa.
Okay, Fee.
These buggers here in Wembley arrested me, man. Useless buggers. Who they think they are, man? Cat's pajamas or what?
Fa? I cannot understand what you're saying.
See, the London police people, man, what are they called? No, they are named after that Raj Kapoor film, man.
They're named after a Raj Kapoor film?
Bobby. Why these London policemen have Punjabi names? I don't understand only, man.
I don't even know how to react to that, but what happened?
No, man, that London Bobby, he came and arrested me right outside here from the Wembley Stadium, man. Who they think they are, man? Bloody racism. Just because I'm a foreigner in Wembley, that's why, you know.
No, one thing, I don't think they arrested you because you're a foreigner in Wembley. In fact, between you and me, Wembley is filled with Indians and foreigners. You're hardly a foreigner there.
Exactly what I'm saying, man. Racism. Wembley is full of Indians. No, that's why they thought I was a foreigner and they arrested me in buggers.
What are you saying? You're not a foreigner. What are you saying? You're an Indian.
But I'm from Goa, no. I look like a Portuguese, man. Foreigner to all these English people from Wembley, man.
For the 5th time, why did they arrest you, FIFA?
Bloody Cyrus, man. I said, nah, either call me Fee or call me Fa.
Why? No, not why Fee or Fa, but why?
Because when I told them my name was FIFA, they arrested me for impersonating the World Football Federation, FIFA, man. They think they understand this Englishman with a Punjabi name to understand Portuguese name, man. Useless buggers.
First of all, a person cannot impersonate a federation. You know, I can't be like the whole FBI. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, but you're out now and you're free.
Yeah, finally I had to ask my cousin to come and bail me out, man.
You have a cousin in Wembley.
Not in Wembley, man, in London. You know Uncle Philip? Uncle Philip. His son Charlie, man. Eh?
I don't know why you always say, do I know them? I don't know them.
Array, you know my auntie Theodora Castellino from Courtorem. Her older brother, Philip Castellino, moved here years ago, man. Now he died also. Huh? They have 3 sons and 1 daughter. Oldest bugger is Charlie. I told that to the cop fellow also, you know.
What? So?
So I told that cop when he arrested me, listen, I have to make 1 telephone call. And so he said, you want to make a call? I said, yeah, my Uncle Philip just died now. He was 99. God bless his soul. Huh? And that I wanted to make a call to his son Charlie.
Why does this sound familiar?
So I dialed a number. Uncle Philip was dead and Charlie wasn't there at home. So his wife, second wife, Camilla answered and she said, give the phone to the policeman. I gave the phone to that Bobby fellow and he didn't take the phone only. He just looked at me and said, let me go, let her only, man.
I can't understand. Your relatives' names are Philip, Charlie and Camilla. But the London guys are named after Punjabis. I think it's safer that you stop wandering around and stay with the Portugal team. Maybe you're better suited there.
By the way, they also threw me out only, man.
Why did they throw you out?
How was I to know, man?
What?
That Ronaldo came looking tired and thirsty. So thirsty, so I offered Ronaldo a Pepsi. See, he doesn't like Coke, so I thought, so he threw me out, man. Threw me out.
FIFA, what is wrong with you? How can you do that? I mean, it's all over the net. Everybody knows. Come on. I don't know what to say to you, really.
Anyway, who wants to spend time with this useless Portugal team, man? They should all just jump from the top of the Dona Paula into the sea, man, buggers.
Oh, you're obviously upset. I understand that about the 2 own goals. You're still angry about that, even though they've qualified for the last 16.
Yeah, simple rule about football, no? Ball must go into opponent's net, no, not into your own. No, do these 2 buggers, Dias and Guerrero, know how to handle a ball? My bloody Elfrida Dias sitting in Vasco knows how to handle the ball better than these 2 monkeys, man. She'll make a bloody ball curry out of these 2 jokers, man.
We wanted a football expert, someone who would understand the nuances of the game, and you've really come through with flying colours. So what's your plan for the rest of the Euro 2020?
Well, I was thinking I'll stay here only in England, man. But I think the British are a little upset with me also, you know.
Why? Now what did you do?
I asked them one simple question. If you have left the European Union, why the bloody hell are you playing in Euro Cup, man? You should be playing the Brexit Cup, nah?
Well, public relations is not his strong point, but that's not why we sent him. So you pissed off the Brits. What about the rest of Europe?
They don't want to be corrected only. I asked them also why they haven't cancelled the tournament.
Cancel the tournament? Why?
Tournament is wrong. They call it Euro 2020, but actually we are inside the year 2021. Shouldn't the tournament be called Euro 2021? No brain like me, okay? No brain there.
I'm feeling indigestion.
Useless buggers. Come to Goa, I'll teach you some things.
I want to apologize to the whole country and the world, especially Europe. We don't have the right personnel in the right places in this show. Not me, not the actors, not the journalists, not the other veterans who come and go. And I suppose it's not apology alone that will be enough. We should do some sort of penance, some sort of service to the nation and to the world and to Europe in this case. And I'm going to think of what to do. One thing I will do is make sure FIFA never leaves the shores of Goa again. We will keep him there because this is very painful. He's spreading a disease called ignorance. And ignorance cannot be tolerated. Our show is not about ignorance. Rewind.
ओके अच्छा
So I was purposely I have to do this line again.
कौन है ये मानुस क्या कौन लेकिन उसी पानी को लेकर
Can we at least try and find the gang on the prompter, man?
I'm telling you, I will finally get a sponsor, say only Mathush.